Imagine turning $0 into $100,000 with a smart investment strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a six-figure stock portfolio step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Stay until the end because I'll also reveal the biggest mistakes beginners make that could cost you thousands. The first step is setting a goal. If you want to reach $100,000, you need to ask, how much can you invest each month? What's your time frame? Here's a simple breakdown. Investing $500 a month at 10% returns leads to $100,000 in 10 years. Investing $1,000 a month at 10% returns gets you to $100,000 in 7 years. And investing $2,000 a month at 10% returns achieves $100,000 in 4 years. It's all about consistency and, time in the market. Not all stocks are created equal. To reach $100,000 faster, focus on portfolio breakdown. 50% in index funds like the S&P 500 or QQQ for low-risk, steady growth. 30% in growth stocks such as Tesla, Nvidia, and Amazon for higher returns potential. 10% in dividend stocks like Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson for passive income. And 10% in high-risk, high-reward investments like crypto and AI stocks for small bets with big upside. This strategy reduces risk while, maximizing growth. The secret to long-term investing success: automate everything. Here's how. Set up automatic deposits and invest the same amount every month. Use dollar cost averaging or DCA to buy stocks at different prices to reduce risk. Reinvest dividends to earn compound interest on your returns. The less you have to think about it, the more consistent you'll be. Most beginners fail because they make these mistakes. Panic selling, that's a big one. Holding through market dips is key. Then buying meme stocks. It's really important to stick to solid investments, not hype. And not diversifying, putting all your money into one stock is risky. Timing the market is another common mistake. Instead of guessing, stay invested long-term. Following this step-by-step plan will keep you on track to $100,000 and beyond. And there you have it, a simple, proven strategy to build a $100,000 portfolio step by step. If you want to learn which stocks to buy, check out my video, Best Stocks to Buy Now, Beginner Friendly, my top 3, 2025, insert link. Or if you're looking for passive income strategies, watch this. I tried 6 passive income strategies for stocks, insert link. How much are you investing each month? Let me know in the comments, subscribe and turn on notifications for more investing tips.